Hello everyone, welcome back grade 4. Today's lesson is lesson 2.3. Let's open your book, page 75. Okay guys, let's start. Today's lesson is about multiply tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, let's see this problem. Each car on a train has 200 seats. How many seats are on a train with 8 cars? Okay, to find this out, let's find 8 multiplied by 200. 8 multiplied by 200 equals what? Let's write it here. Write with me, please. 8 multiplied by 200 equals, first of all, we have here this two zeros, right? Put it as the same, like that. And we have here 8 multiplied by 2 equals what? Of course, 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. So our answer here is 1600. Okay, how can we model it by using base 10 blocks? We have here each block equals 100. So let's count how many hundreds here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 blocks of 100. 10 blocks of 100. 10 blocks of 100, so it means 10 multiplied by 100, right? So this block is about 1000. So we have here 1000 equals 1000. Okay, let's see the next one. We have also here 6 blocks of 100, right? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 blocks of 100, it will be 600, right? So we have here 6 blocks of hundreds. Like that. 600s equal 6 and 2 zeros. After that, add them together. 1000 plus 600 equals 1600. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, let's have another way to get the answer here using the place value. We have 8 multiplied by 200, right? So if we rewrite this 200 as 200, like that, so we can say 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16, and put the 100 as the same. And of course 1600 equal what? As we learned before, if you see 100, so cancel it out and put 2 zeros. So we have here our answer is 1600. So we can say here there are 1600 seats on a train with 8 cars. Okay guys, let's move to the next page. Okay, let's have another way here. We're gonna use number line to model this. So 6 times 4000 equal what? If we want to use the number line, all we have to do, we have here the basic fact 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24, right? Okay. If we want to represent it using number line, we have to start with 0. And then add 4 because 6 multiplied by 4. So add 4 each time. It will be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So if you notice here, let's see here, 4 repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 repeated 6 times here. So we can say 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. Okay, what about the next one? the same thing, but in this case we're going to add 40 because here 6 multiplied by 40 equals 240. So let's add 40 each time in this case, like that. Why we added 40 here? Because we have here 6 multiplied by 40 equals 240. What we notice here, we have 6, put it as the same, and 4 becomes here 40, right? We added 1 0. So you have to add 1 0 in the answer here. So 24 becomes 240. And the same thing here, 6, put it as the same, 40 becomes 400. So we added 0. Let's add 1 0 to the answer. It becomes 2400. And the same thing here, we add 0 here. It will be 4000, and add 0 here, it will be 24,000. That's the meaning of pattern, okay? Okay, let's move to the next one. Now we have 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21, right? So the same thing, 3 put it as the same, and 7 becomes 70. So we added zeros, right? So let's add 0 to the result, will be 210. The next one, put it 3 as the same, 3 multiplied by 700 equals 2100. The next one, 3 multiplied by 7000, it will be 21,000. It's very easy pattern, okay? You have to add 0 each time. Okay, the next one, 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. 8 multiplied by 50 equals 400. Okay, so we have here 0, put it here as the same. And we have also 8 multiplied by 500 equals 4000, and 8 multiplied by 5000 equals 40,000. So let's add zeros. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, guys, let's continue. Okay, you have to use drawing to find 2 multiplied by 500 equals what? As we see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blocks of 100, so it will be 1000. Because we have 2 multiplied by 500. If we write it here, 2 multiplied by 500 equals, we have here 2 zeros, right? So put the 2 zeros as the same in the answer here, and 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. So let's write it here. So we have 1000, like that. Okay, the next one. Complete the pattern. Let's complete the pattern here. 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24. And 3 multiplied by 80 equals 240. So we add 0 here. Let's add 0 in the answer as well. Okay, let's continue the pattern. 3 multiplied by 800, we have 2 zeros, so put the 2 zeros in the answer here. It will be 2400. 3 multiplied by 8000 equals 25,000. The next one, 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. 6 multiplied by 20 equals 120. 6 multiplied by 200 equals 1200. And 6 multiplied by 2000 equals 12,000. Number 4, we have 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. 4 multiplied by 50 equals 200. 4 multiplied by 500 equals 2000. 4 multiplied by 5000 equals 20,000. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, let's find the product here. We have the first one, we have 5 multiplied by 500. So rewrite this 500 like that. So we have 100 here, so let's write 5 here because it's 500. After that, 6 multiplied by 5 equals 30, and put the 100 as the same. After that, if you see 100, so replace it with 2 zeros like that. So 30 and 2 zeros, it will be 3000. Okay, the next one, we have 9 multiplied by 5000. So put the 9, and we have here 1000, right? So the missing digit here is 5. Then multiply 9 by 5. 9 by 5 equals 45,000. If you see 1000, so you have to cancel it out and put 3 zeros. So 45 and 3 zeros, it become 45,000. Okay, let's move to the next one. Find the product in the same way. 7 multiplied by 6,000. First of all, put the 3 zeros here, and 7 multiplied by 6 equals 42. 4 multiplied by 80. Put the 0 first. Firstly, put the 0, and 4 multiplied by 8 equals 32. And we have 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15, and put the zeros here, so it will be 1500. Okay, now find the missing factor. What multiplied by 9 equals 63? And we have here 3 zeros and 3 zeros. So he asked about the numbers. What here multiplied by 9 equals 63? Of course, 7 multiplied by 9 equals 63. The next one, we have here 56 and 3 zeros, and we have here 7. So we have 3 zeros, so put 3 zeros here, and then we ask ourselves, 7 multiplied by what equals 56? 7 multiplied by 8 equals 56. Okay, so the answer here is 8,000. After that, 8 multiplied by what equals 3,200? Firstly, we have 2 zeros, right? So put the 2 zeros here, and 8 multiplied by 4 equals what? Equals 32. So that's our answer, 3,200, and our answer here is 400. Okay, guys, that's our lesson for today, and your homework will be this page 79. Thank you for listening.